press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, how are you all? I hope that you all are fit and fine. So welcome back to our social study class. Now we are going to study about our beautiful country map study, okay? Yes. So you already studied in deep, okay? So what we studied the physical features, isn't it? Now I will show you the pictures, okay? Pictures wise we will going to study, not in deep but summary wise, okay? Yes. So first I am going to introduce you our beautiful country, isn't it? I already told you now, our India is a very beautiful country, isn't it? Yes. India is our country. Which is our country? Yes. India is our country. Yes. So it is a land of vast plains. So it is a land of vast plains, isn't it? Yes. And also beautiful hills. We can see the beautiful hills. So we already studied it now. We can see the beautiful hills, high mountains, very big mountains we can see in our country, isn't it? Yes. So and also we can see the extensive plateaus, isn't it? So in the south part of India we can see the extensive plateaus also. Yes. And also forest, we can see the forest now, very thick forest with the wild animals, isn't it? Yes. And also we can see the islands. What we can see? Yes, islands. Which are the islands of our country? Yes, Andaman, Nicobar and also Lakshadweep, isn't it? Yes. And also what we can see? Yes, we can see the long coastal line, isn't it? Very long coastal line, isn't it? Yes. Many river and also we can see the many rivers flowing in India, isn't it? Yes. We can see the many rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, isn't it? So many rivers are flowing here, isn't it? So and also what we can see? We can see beautiful hills, forest, islands. So that's why we call it India is our very beautiful country, okay? India is our beautiful country. We can see the map of India, isn't it? See how is our map? It's very beautiful now. Yes, like that our India is also very beautiful, isn't it? Yes. So here we can see the political map of India, isn't it? We can see the political map of India. So here states and also we can see the union territories, isn't it? What we can see? We can see the states and also union territories, isn't it? It measures about 3,200 kilometers, isn't it? From north to south. It measures 3,200 kilometers. How? North to south. We can see the north and also south. So we can see 3,200 kilometers north to south, okay? Like that we can see it is about 3,000 kilometer wide from west to east. How many kilometers? 3,000 kilometer to, yes, west to east, okay? So north to south is 3,200 kilometer and also, yes, to west to and to east we can see the 3,000 kilometer, okay? Yes. And also we can see the total border, isn't it? India is sharing border with other countries also now. Yes, in the northern part we can see the, yes, so India is sharing the border with other countries, isn't it? Yes. So we can see the we can see now, yes. So in the north part of India we can see Afghanistan and also Pakistan, okay? So here west to north we can see it now, Afghanistan and Pakistan, okay? Yes. So here Afghanistan and Pakistan lies to the north. Where? Yes, northwest of India. Afghanistan and Pakistan lies northwest to, yes, of India. Okay, we can see it now. Yes, like that Nepal, Bhutan and also, yes, China we can see in the northeast. Okay, we can see in northeast. Okay, yes, like that Bangladesh and also Myanmar. Okay, Bangladesh and also Myanmar, so are to the east. Where it is? Yes, it is in the east part of our India. Okay, yes, very good. And then islands, we can see the islands of our country also, isn't it? Yes, so in the here Arabian Sea is in the which part? It is in the west part, isn't it? So in the west part we can see the, yes, Lakshadweep island. What we can see in the west part of India, we can see the Lakshadweep island. Okay, and also like that we can see the another island also. Which island? Yes, Andaman and also Nicobar island. Okay, yes, so here we can see in the which part? Yes, in the which part? Yes, so in the east and then the south we can see the Andaman and also Nicobar. Okay, so India is surrounded by water in three sides, like south part of India. Okay, south part of India is surrounded by water in three sides. Okay, so here in the west part we can see the, yes, Arabian Sea, and also in the, yes, east part we can see the, yes, Bay of Bengal, and also in the south part of India we can see the Andaman and also, yes, so Indian Ocean, we can see the Indian Ocean. Okay, so here first what we can see? Yes, so India is sharing the border with other countries. So in the northwest part we can see the Afghanistan and also Pakistan. Okay, and in the northeast part what we can see? We can see the, yes, China, isn't it? Nepal and also Bhutan, isn't it? So like that we are, and also in the east part we can see the Bangladesh and also Myanmar. Okay, so here this is our political map of India. So we have how many states? Yes, we have present 28 states and also 9 union territories. Okay, yes, so we can see the India map now, isn't it? So here, so first what we can see? Which country we can see? Yes, so here in which state we can see? Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Chandigarh, Uttarakhand and also like Haryana, Delhi, isn't it? Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Bihar, isn't it? Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, we can see, yes, 28 states and also union territories, isn't it? Yes, so it is our political, yes, map of India. Okay, yes, so here this is a physical map of India. Okay, yes, so here we can see the physical map of India. Okay, like here I already told you now. Yes, so in the Arabian Sea we can see the Lakshadweep island, and in the Bay of Bengal we can see the Andaman and also Nicobar island in the south part of our India. Okay, yes, so here India is divided into 5 features. How many features? Yes, 5 features. India is divided into 5 features. We can see clearly now. Yes, so here India can be divided into 5 different physical, yes, physical regions based on, I already told, based on India is divided into, how it's divided? Yes, India is divided into 5 physical features. It's based on, yes, it's based on landform, climate and also natural vegetation, isn't it? Yes, India is divided into different, yes, regions, isn't it? Yes, so here based on how? Yes, landforms, climate and also natural vegetations, isn't it? Yes, So here, so we can see the 5 physical features of our India. So first one is northern mountains. First one is northern mountains. So these northern mountains we can see in the north part of our India. Where we can see? Yes, we can see in the north part of our India. So here we can see it now in the north part, Himalayan ranges. Yes, so like that. And second feature is northern plains. Which one? Yes, the northern plains, isn't it? Yes, like in the green color now. Yes. So and also we can see the western desert, isn't it? We can see the western desert. So in the which state is surrounded by the desert? Yes, Rajasthan, isn't it? Rajasthan is surrounded by the desert. So we can see in the west part of our India, isn't it? Yes, and like that the southern plateaus, isn't it? So here we can see in the south part of our India, like that. And also we can see the coastal plains and also island. What we can see? Yes, coastal plains and also island, isn't it? So in the sky blue color we can see it now. So here India is surrounded by water in 3 sides. Yes, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and also Indian Ocean. So this is our 5 physical features of our India. Okay, first one is northern mountains, second one is plains, and also third one is western desert, and also fourth one is the southern plateaus, and fifth one is coastal plains and then island. We can see it now. Yes, so here, so this all our physical features of our country. What we can see? Yes, so it is our physical features of our country. Okay, yes, very good. So next we move to the, yes, northern mountains. So here we can see it now. So India is covered with snow in the north part, isn't it? Isn't it? Yes. So here, so we can see it now. Yes. So here, let's see it. So India is surrounded by 3 sides of water, isn't it? Like first physical feature is northern mountains. So here we can see it, northern mountains. So here, yes. So Himalaya means what? Yes, Himalaya means abode of snow. Himalaya means abode of snow, isn't it? Yes. Why? Because in the north part of India we can see the, yes, snow, isn't it? Yes. So it is always throughout the year we can see the snow here, isn't it? Yes. It lies in the north. So it is lies in the north and also northeastern part of our India. So it is lies in the northeastern part of our India. So here we can see that now. Yes, it starts from Jammu and Kashmir to in the east Arunachal Pradesh, where, yes, we can see it now in Arunachal Pradesh. It starts from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, yes. So here it extends from Jammu and Kashmir. So here the northern mountains extend from Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, yes, and in the west to Arunachal Pradesh. So in the west Arunachal Pradesh, isn't it? Yes. So in the east part we can see the Arunachal Pradesh. So here start from Jammu and Kashmir to east in the Arunachal Pradesh state, isn't it? Yes. And here it covers a distance about, yes, 2500 kilometers. I already told you now, yes, 2500 kilometers. Okay, its width is 150 to 400 kilometers. Okay, yes. So here, so we can see the Mount Everest. So here Mount Everest, we can see it now. Yes, the world highest mountain peak. Okay, it is about 8,848 meters. Okay, where it is located? It's located in Nepal. Okay, where it is located? It's located in Nepal. We can see it now. See in the red line. Yes, how many meters it is? Yes, 8,848 meters. Okay, yes. So here we can see it now. Yes. So here Sir Edmund Hillary of New Zealand. In the middle we can see the Edmund Hillary now. Yes. So he is from New Zealand. And Tenzing Norgay of Nepal. Tenzing Norgay of Nepal were the first to climb the Mount Everest. They are the two person. We can see it now. Yes, here, yes. So here Edmund Hillary and also Tenzing Norgay. They are the two person to climb the Mount Everest. Okay, in 1953. When? In 1953. Okay. So here we can see it, Bachendri Pal. She was the first woman to climb Mount Everest. Woman. Okay. Yes. When? Yes. 1984. Okay. Yes. So here they are the three persons to climb the Mount Everest. So first time ali ಇವರೇ ಹತ್ತಿದ್ರು Mount Everest. Okay. Yes. So here we can see the Himalaya. Yes, Himalayan mountain consists of the three parallel ranges. Okay. Yes. So here we can see it now. Himalayas. Yes. Where from started? It started from Jammu and Kashmir. Yes. In the north part to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. Okay. Yes. So here, it is the highest peak in the world. Okay, Mount Everest. Okay. So here we can see the three parallel ranges. Okay. So first one is, we can see it now in the green color, Greater Himalaya. So it is in the three parallel ranges. So here we can see it now in the green color. Yes. So here Greater Himalaya. It is our first. Yes. So it is, we can see it now in the red color, parallel ranges. Yes. Yes. So here we can see in Greater Himalaya. What we can see? Yes, Greater Himalaya. Okay. Yes. And also the middle Himalaya, also called Himachal. Okay. Yes. Like, and also the Lesser Himalaya, Shivalik in the green color, isn't it? So we can see it now. Yes, Greater Himalaya and also Shivalik. Okay. So we can see the three parallel ranges. Okay. First one is which one? Yes, the first one is Greater Himalaya. It's also called Himadri. Okay. And second one is the Middle Himalaya, also called Himachal. Okay. The third one is the Lesser Himalaya. Okay. Also called Shivalik. Okay. So here we can see in the Greater Himalaya the two great peaks. Okay. The two great high mountains we can see it. Which were? Yes, Kanchenjunga. We can see it now. Yes. So it is about 8,598 meters. So here we can see it in the Greater Himalayan. Okay. So they are the two very high peaks, Kanchenjunga and also Annapurna, isn't it? We can see it now. Yes. The both are the highest peaks. Okay. Yes. And also in the in the Middle Himalaya we can see the so many hills station, isn't it? We can see it so many hill station like Kulu, isn't it? Darjeeling. Okay. And also in the in the Shivalik we can see the thick forest. What we can see? Yes, we can see the thick forest and also wild animals. Okay. So we can see in the Shivalik hills. Okay. So the greater Himalaya always covered with snow, okay, it is always covered with snow, okay. Like that in the middle Himalaya we can see the so many beautiful hill station, okay, and in the in the Shivalik hills we can see the thick forest and also wild animals, okay. Yes, very good. So here, so we can see it now, yes, Shimla, Haridwar. So here Darjeeling we can see it now, yes, Gangtok. So we can see it now, very beautiful hill station are there, isn't it? So in the north part of India we can see the beautiful hills station. See here Shimla, yes, how it is, it's all covered with green now. We can see it green, 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 isn't it? Yes. So here Darjeeling, how beautiful it is, isn't it? Yes. Gangtok, we can see it now. Yes. So they are the beautiful hills station. Kulu, we can see it now. Why we are going there? Yes. In the summer vacations, we all go there now. Yes. To enjoy our vacations. Yes. To escape from the summer, isn't it? Yes. So here we can see it. So Shivalik hills, we can see it now. Yes. How it's always covered with thick forest, very thick forest, and also here we can see the so many, yes, hill stations, okay, and also we can see the very wild animals. So here view of Kashmir. So we call it Kashmir as a, yes, what we call, yes, Kashmir is very beautiful state now. Yes, now we can see it now. Yes, so in the Kashmir we can see the houseboat in Dal Lake, okay. Yes, we can see it. So here we can see in the northern mountains how many states comes. We can see it Jammu and Kashmir, isn't it, and Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, okay, and also here we can see the east part, West Bengal, isn't it? Yes, and also, yes, northeastern states, like which are the northeastern state? We called as a seven sister also, like which are there? Yes, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, yes, Manipur, isn't it? And also what? Yes, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. They are called seven sisters, isn't it? Yes. Which are the seven sister northeastern states? Yes. Which are they? Assam, yes, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, and then, yes, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland and also Tripura. They are called seven sisters, okay. Yes, very good. And here, so it is beautiful view, we can see it now. Yes. So here we can see the view of Kashmir, it's always covered with snow, okay. So here we can see the, yes, see how the people wear very colorful dresses, isn't it? Yes. So like Kashmir people, they wear very colorful dresses according to their traditional, isn't it? Yes. So here we can see the Arunachal Pradesh people, how they dress up, isn't it? Yes. So here Nagaland people, here we can see the Nagaland people, they wear, yes, their own ornaments, isn't it, made up from ivory, isn't it, bones, etc., isn't it, we can see it now. And also Meghalaya peoples, isn't it? Yes. So they wear very colorful dresses, okay. Yes, they wear very colorful dresses. So next we can see the northern plains. Northern plain, it is a level and flat land. So here in the northern mountains we saw what we studied? Yes, we studied very high mountains, isn't it? But in the northern plains we can see the level and flat land, okay. What we can see? Yes, level and flat land. So here we can see it now, northern plains of India. It lies toward the south of the northern mountains. It lies towards the south of northern mountains. Okay, yes. So here we can see it now. Yes. So here this region is flat and level. I already told you now, this region is flat and level. Okay, yes. So here we can see it now. Yes. So the northern plains stretches from, here in the map we can see it now. Yes. So here, so northern plain stretches from Punjab in the west. So here, so in the, we can see it in the green color now, it stretches from, yes, Punjab in the west. Okay, Punjab in the west, and after that here we can see it now. Yes. So here Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. Here we can see it in the Assam in the east. It stretches from west Punjab to east Assam. Okay. Yes. So they include almost the whole Punjab. So it includes almost the whole Punjab. Okay. So and also we can see the, yes, what we can see, yes, Delhi part, and also what it almost include the whole Punjab, Haryana, West Bengal, isn't it? It includes, yes. So what they include? Whole Punjab, Haryana, and also West Bengal. Here we can see it now. Yes. See it. Uttar Pradesh, Delhi parts of Bihar and Assam. Okay. Yes. So northern plains have alluvial soil in the most part of northern plains. So here in the northern mountains there are so many the 4 rivers are flowing now. So soil will be very fertile, isn't it? So here we can see the very fertile soil, isn't it? Yes. So and also we can see in the northern plains, so very important cities here in the northern plains, like you have any idea? Yes. So here we can see the so many important city that lies in the northern plains. Northern plains. See here, you can see it in the, isn't it? Yes. So here we can see the so many cities like Amritsar, isn't it? Yes. Delhi, Agra, Kanpur, Allahabad, Lucknow, Varanasi, Patna, Kolkata, Guwahati, isn't it? So here we can see so many important cities. Okay. Yes. So here so I already told you now, from the northern mountains there are so many rivers are flowing, isn't it? Which are the most important rivers of India? It's like Brahmaputra, Ganga, Yamuna, isn't it? They are the most important rivers of our India. So here we called it Himalayan rivers. We called it Himalayan rivers, isn't it? Yes. So here we can see 3 parts now. So these rivers carry water throughout the year. It is because the snow. So I already told you now, these rivers carry water throughout the year because of snow. So in the summers what happens? Snow melts now. Yes. So that's why these rivers carry water throughout the year. Okay. Yes. So it is because of snow on the Himalaya. So Himalaya mountains, it melts in summer, and what happened? Yes. So it flows water, and in the rainy season rainwater flows them. So in the rainy season rainwater flows in them, isn't it? Yes. So here We can see it now? Yes. So the important rivers are called Satluj river. We can see it in the first part. What we can see? Satluj river, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra divided the northern plains. So here these three rivers, okay. First one is, yes, Satluj river, and second one is, yes. So here we can see it now, Ganga river, and third one is Brahmaputra rivers. So these river divided the northern plains, okay. Yes. So here we can see it now. Yes. So I already told you now. So these rivers divided the northern plains, okay. Yes. So here in the northern plains we can see the so many states like Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Assam, Tripura, isn't it? So here we can see the so many states, okay. Yes. So here these are the three, yes. So rivers we can see it, okay. So here we can see the Bakra dam in the river of Satluj river. So here holy bath at Sangam, Allahabad, we can see it now. So here we can see it. So here this is the holy bath at Sangam. So Yamuna joins to the Ganga at the place of Allahabad. So this place is called, what it's called? Yes, Sangam. It's called the Sangam now. Why? The two rivers joins now. Yes. So here the holy bath at, yes, we can see it in the Ganga and Yamuna river joins at the place of Allahabad, okay. So here we can see the delta, okay, where Sundarban delta we can see it, okay. Yes. After that this water flows through the Bay of Bengal, okay. Yes. So and also Hooghly river in Kolkata. In the Hooghly river, what it's called, the Ganga river called in Bangladesh, what it's called? Yes, Padma, isn't it? Yes. So next here we can see Golden Temple in Amritsar, Taj Mahal in Agra, Qutub Minar. So here we can see the Ganga Action Plan, and in the in the West Bengal we can see which festival is very famous in the West Bengal. Yes, Durga Puja is very famous festival in West Bengal, isn't it? Yes. So we can see it, and also Chahat Puja. Yes. I hope that you all know it, isn't it? Yes. So here Golden Temple in Amritsar and Taj Mahal in Agra, okay, and Qutub Minar, and it is a Ganga Action Plan. So Ganga river is cleaning now. Yes. So here. So next physical feature is the Western Desert, okay, Western Desert. So in the west part of India we can see the Western Desert. Where we can see? Yes, in the west part of our India. So here, yes. So what do you mean by desert? A desert is a flat area covered with loose sand, isn't it? So flat area covered with loose sand, isn't it? Yes. So here we can see that now, sand, isn't it? Yes, loose sand. So it is easily air will carry. So here, yes. So India has a huge deserts to the southwest of the northern plains, okay. So this is the Indian desert. It is also known as the Thar desert. So it is known as also Thar desert. We can see it now. Yes. So it stretches from the Rann of Kutch. So it stretches from Rann of Kutch. Okay. Yes. So here we can see the sand dunes, isn't it? Loose sand, and also yes, cactus plant. So in the desert area it's not very fertile now. Yes, we can't see the water now. So here we can see the cactus plants, isn't it? Cactus plant, and also we can see the oasis in a desert. So here we can see the around the water what we can see, date palm, isn't it? And also we can see the, yes, date palm. So here little water we can see it, isn't it? So I already told you now. So Indira Gandhi Canal. So water is, yes, government giving water to Rajasthan, okay, through the Indira Gandhi Canal. So here we can see the Indira Gandhi, yes. So here we can see the Indira Gandhi Canal, where, yes, we can see the Indira Gandhi Canal, and also oasis in desert. So it's all surrounded by date palm now, yes. And also here we can see the, yes, sand dunes, okay, and also cactus plant, okay, yes. So here we can see it now, yes. It stretches from run of Kutch in the Gujarat to border of Haryana. It covers a large part of Rajasthan, okay. There are small hills of loose sand called sand dunes, isn't it? So here we can see the loose sand, okay, yes. So we can see the date plants grow here, land around on oasis, isn't it? Yes. So it is little bit fertile, okay, yes. So here we can see it, and also we can see the Banjaras. So what they do, the people carry water, isn't it, by the walk because of the scarcity of water now, yes. So and also we can see the camel here, isn't it? It's called the ship of desert, isn't it? Yes. So here we can see it now, yes. And also the women carrying water, okay, yes. So here we can see it. Next one is, yes, the southern plateaus. It is our 4 features of our India, isn't it? Yes. So here we can see the southern plateaus. So here plateaus means a flat land which is higher than the land around it. It is also called table land, isn't it? It's also called table land. So it is also called peninsular plateaus, okay. So here we can see it, yes. So it starts from, yes, so here we can see it. So in this part here, so the southern plateau starts from, yes, Aravalli ranges. It starts from Aravalli ranges, okay, yes. So here in the central highland we can see the Malwa plateau and also Chota Nagpur plateau. What? Yes, Malwa plateau and also Chota Nagpur plateau. Here we can see the Aravalli ranges. Here we can see the Aravalli ranges. So it starts from Aravalli ranges, okay. In the north west part it starts from Aravalli ranges. In the northeast it starts from Rajmahal hills, okay. So in the central highland we can see the Malwa plateau and also Chota Nagpur plateau, okay. And after that we can see the Deccan plateau. It starts from, yes, Satpura range. Here we can see it now. So it starts from Satpura range, okay. Yes, we can see it now, Deccan plateau, and it's bound between the Western Ghat and also the Eastern Ghat. So it's bound between Western Ghat and also Eastern Ghat, isn't it? Yes. So here we can see the Chota Nagpur plateau, isn't it? It consists of minerals, okay. It consists of minerals. So here in the Chota Nagpur plateau and also the plateaus, so it's there are so many states comes under the plateaus now, yes. So here we can see the Nilgiri hills, isn't it? It's what? Nilgiri hills. So Western Ghat and then Eastern Ghat meets in the Nilgiri hills. So here we can see the Jog Falls, isn't it? Yes. So we can see in the Karnataka, okay. Yes. So here Hirkud Dam. Okay. So we store the water now. Yes. And also we can see the Kanha National Park. It is here we can reserve the wild animals now. So here we can see the Kanha National Parks. Okay. Yes. So here Bilai steel plant. So here we can see the Bilai steel plant. Okay. And also Bokaro steel plant, we can see it. And also we can see the Ganesh Chaturthi. It's famous in Maharashtra, isn't it? Yes, they celebrate this festival. Yes, so they celebrate this festival. Okay, Ganesh Chaturthi. It is very famous festival in Maharashtra. And also we can see the Ajanta Ellora caves. So we can see in the Maharashtra state. Okay, yes. So here it's our state now, Karnataka. Yes, it's our state. So here Brindavan we called it now. Yes, Mysore. Here we can see the Mysore Palace and also Yakshagana. So it's have an authentic style, isn't it? They wear very beautiful dress, isn't it? I already told you now. Yes, here it's our, yes, Karnataka. We can see it, isn't it? Yes. Now it's about Tamil Nadu. See here their dressing style. They wear dhoti, shirt, isn't it? And sari with their style. It's different from, they wear the sari according to their style now. Yes. So here we can see the our culture. So here we can see them in Hyderabad, isn't it? Charminar, we can see it now. See Ramoji Film City, isn't it? Yes. So here we can see it now. Yes. See how beautiful our country is. So it's all our beautiful country. So next one is coastal plains and then island. Coastal plains and in the island. So this coastal plain starts in the south part, isn't it? So here the country is surrounded by the sea on the three sides. Between the Arabian Sea, Western Ghats lies in the western coastal plain. The eastern coastal plains lie between the Bay of Bengal. Here we can see it now. Yes. So yes, Bay of Bengal and Eastern Ghats. The Deccan Plateau separates these plains from each other. The plains meet at Kanyakumari. Already told you now? Yes. So here we can see the coastal plains. So in the west, yes, western coastal plain stretches from Gujarat to Kerala. Here we can see it now. Yes. So here the western coastal plain stretches from Gujarat to, yes, so Gujarat to Kerala. Okay. Yes. So in the western coastal plain there are the three parts. Yes. Run of Kutch here starts from Run of Kutch now. Yes. So here Konkan coast and then Malabar coast in the western, isn't it? West part. So here we can see the eastern coastal plain. Okay. Northern Circus. Okay. And here Coromandel coast. Okay. Yes. So it is our coastal plains. So here and also we can see the islands So Andaman Nicobar Island and then Lakshadweep Island, isn't it? So here we can see it now, Gujarat coast, Konkan coast and then Malabar coast. Here Northern Circus, Coromandel coast. We can see in the south part of our India, isn't it? It's our fifth features. So here we can see it now. Yes, very good. So here Andaman and Nicobar Island, where we can see here Andaman and Nicobar Island. So the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island is Port Blair, isn't it? Yes. So here Marina Beach. It is our India's longest beach, isn't it? So here we can see that, isn't it? Yes. So and also Gir National Park. So here we reserve what? We reserves the wild animals, isn't it? So and here we can see the, yes, Kerala peoples, they are wearing they according to their style. Here the Kathakali is famous in where? Yes, is famous in Kerala. You can see it now? Yes. So here we can see the Andaman and Nicobar. The capital of Andaman Nicobar Island is, yes, Port Blair. The capital of Lakshadweep is, yes, yes, Kavaratti. Okay. Yes. So here we can see it now. Yes. Yes. So here Marina Beach. So it's our, yes. So India is our beautiful country. India is our beautiful country. So we all cite now. Yes. So we cite how many features? We cite 5 physical features of our India. Okay. So northern plains, northern mountains, northern plains, western desert, okay, the southern plateaus, and then coastal plains, and then islands. Okay. So this is all about our beautiful country. Okay. Yes. Thank you so much. All the best.